Are you ready to embrace the digital age and transform your corporate culture? If you are thinking that adapting to the digital age is no longer a choice but a necessity for survival, you are spot on. That's why SlideTeam brings you its premium training module on digital transformation to reshape the way companies work, communicate, and collaborate. Use this PowerPoint deck to create a compelling corporate culture that thrives in the digital age. Also, grab up to 15% off by clicking on the link in the description. To adapt your corporate culture to the digital age, start by creating a culture of agility and experimentation. Encourage employees to take calculated risks, learn from failures, and iterate quickly. Emphasize collaboration and cross-functional teamwork. Break down silos and encourage employees across departments to collaborate on projects, leveraging digital tools and platforms for seamless communication and knowledge sharing. Digital transformation has a profound impact on companies. It enhances operational efficiency, improves customer experience, and enables innovation. Employees benefit from increased productivity, remote work flexibility, and access to new skill development opportunities. Grab this content-ready digital transformation PPT module to stay competitive in the modern business landscape. Change management in digital transformation is the art and science of guiding organizations and individuals through the process of adopting and integrating digital technologies and practices. Outline and execute change management strategies to keep employees informed about progress, challenges, and successes that result going digital. Training and upskilling are also essential components of change management. Employees must be provided with the necessary resources, tools, and knowledge to acquire digital skills and competencies. Organizations must recognize that employees are the driving force behind innovation, adoption, and sustainability. Are you ready to embark on this transformative journey and build a compelling corporate culture that thrives in the digital age? If yes, download this off-the-shelf training module now. Thus, grab this premium PowerPoint presentation to create a positive and supportive culture that ensures employees take to digital in the same natural way a duck takes to water. Embrace agility, collaboration, and digital literacy while fostering a culture of innovation and continuous learning with this custom-made PowerPoint slide. Hence, adapting your corporate culture to the digital age is crucial for your organization's success and growth.